I don't like it all Otto, mashubu. Otto, mashubu. Otito. No. Oh yeah, oh. Kitalulu. What are you doing? You're trying to climb. Yeah.
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 Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
See, climber.
Okay.
Climber.
Okay.
How are you?
Right.
How are you?
Yeah.
Dami long.
Da.
Dami long.
Da.
Mama Dami long.
Da.
How are you?
Zero.
Answer.
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 Why is Mama crying?
Okay.
Mama. Achoo!
Yeah, I got this one.
Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back again to the vlog. Otto. Otto. So guys, today is just a chill Saturday morning. It is officially weekend. I don't have work. This is so exciting. I'm just gonna have a chill day, clean the house, you know, just do things that normal people do on their weekends that don't involve going to work. Like, this is so emotional for me because I have a Saturday and a Sunday that I don't have to work. Wow, this is a golden opportunity. Wow. Anyways guys, so for breakfast today I want to cook something nice. So I'm going to be doing like a potato chicken casserole type dish. I don't want Kiton's palette to be solely Nigerian, although obviously she's going to have heavy Nigerian influences because most of the spices that I'm going to use to cook are Nigerian spices, but I also want her to be able to eat abroad people's food, which is why in the last vlog I made shepherd's pie, so that if she goes to somewhere and they're eating shepherd's pie, she won't say, Zuli Amalaka eat too. Do you understand what I mean? Because obviously she's going to be British Nigerian, so she needs to be able to, you know, or Nigerian British, however you want to call it, she needs to be able to integrate into their foods as much as possible. So for breakfast today, we're going to be having, I don't have chicken, so I'm going to use turkey, but it's going to be like a turkey casserole type dish with Irish potatoes, mixed veggies, and turkey. Mama, bossy B, oyawa, I don't like it, don't like me, wa, mashubu, wa. And also, if you guys notice, when I call her sometimes, apart from calling her Kiton, I also like to call her by her full name, because her full name is actually a mouthful, and I don't want her to feel any type of way about the fact that she has a long name. So I want her to be used to the long name, and that's why we're going to be calling her the long name from the get-go. So sometimes when I call her, that's the way she responds, because she knows that that's now her name, apart from just Kiton, which she also responds to, by the way. Anyways, I'm gonna do dishes now and we're gonna start cooking. Meanwhile, my sister is here. Who are you calling? This is my younger sister. My mother-in-law left, so guess who has come to resume Cinderella?
You didn't ask for my consent to put me on your video. I will sue you. You'll be hearing from my lawyer for putting me on your video now.
As how?
As a superstar.
That
I am.
Lol. Anyways, say hi or don't. What do you want to do?
Hi, my name is Ivy.
Kendra, please. Why do you keep telling
My
me?
name is Ivy.
As how now? Where did the Ivy come from?
My Instagram handle.
Jesus.
Please put it on the screen. I_VIE_.
She's trying to start her influencer career with loads of content that she has on her phone that she has refused to post. Is that how to be an influencer?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's fine. She's here. Mommy duties because this one will not allow me to walk until I carry her. Thank you. I'm greeting him.
She's washing. I mean, she's making.
Kitan Lolo.